Have you ever pondered about the role of a body control module? This integral component of contemporary vehicles is akin to a superprocessor directing and governing an array of electronic devices installed in your automobile. Thus, the body control module could be compared to a sophisticated onboard brain for your vehicle, handling all the electronic operations. Like any other brain, its flawless functioning is crucial. Now that we know what a BCM is, let's dive into how it works. Imagine the body control module as the conductor of an orchestra, communicating with all the other onboard computers in your car. It's a multitasking maestro, controlling a variety of functions ranging from power windows and mirrors to air conditioning, the immobilizer system, and even the central locking. But how it do all this? Well, it's all about input and output. The BCM receives information from various sensors and switches throughout your vehicle. It then processes this data and controls the output to operate the various devices. Just like ensuring each instrument plays at the right time, the body control module keeps your car running harmoniously. So the body control module is like the central processing unit of your car, making sure everything is running smoothly. But what happens if this brain starts to malfunction? A question no one wants to find the answer to the hard way. A body control module, or BCM, is crucial to your vehicle's operation. It's this clever piece of kit that ensures your windows roll down, your air conditioning keeps you cool, and your car starts when you need it to. Should your BCM start to falter, you'll likely notice some of these functions not performing as they should. Perhaps your windows refuse to budge, or your air conditioning has taken a permanent vacation. Worse still, your car might not even start. If you notice any of these issues, it's vital to get your BCM checked and repaired. Remember, perfectly operating body control module guarantees a seamless and secure journey. In essence, the body control module is your car's unsung hero. It's a key player, overseeing a myriad of electronic devices within your vehicle. When it works well, it's seamless, but issues can cause significant problems. Thanks for watching the DIY Automotive channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more automotive insights.